Dear students and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahmat English Research Center. Today I will teach you about names of food items part 1. Pickle. Preserve food or other perishable items in vinegar, brine or a similar solution. Grain. Wheat or any other cultivated cereal crop used as food. Flour. A powder obtained by grinding grain, typically wheat, and used to make bread, cakes, and pastry. Fine flour. Fine flour, for example, refers to the fine cake or pastry flour, while medium grained flours are coarser, ground, and have a higher swelling capacity. Egg. Egg is an oval rounded object with a hard shell produced by female birds. Curry. A pungent dish of vegetables, onions, meat or fish, etc., flavored with various spices or curry powder and often eaten with rice. Ice cream. A soft frozen food made with sweetened and flavored milk fat. Jaggery. Jaggery, also called gur, brown sugar obtained from sugarcane juice or date palm sap. Wheat, a cereal plant that is the most important kind grown in temperate countries, the grain of which is ground to make flour for bread, pasta, pastry, etc. Ghee. Ghee is made by melting regular butter. Traditionally, ghee has been used as cooking oil and ingredient in dishes and in Ayurvedic therapies. Curd, a soft white substance formed when milk sours, used as the basis for cheese. Pulse, the word pulse refers to dried seed. Dal are often known as lentils. If pulses are split into half, it is called as dal. Green lentil. In Hindi, the word sabut is used for lentils which are whole. The word dal is used for split lentils. Lentil. There are four main categories of lentils: brown, green, red, yellow, and specialty. Brown lentils are the most common variety. Pigeon pea. The highest amount of legume dry biomass was produced by pigeon pea and sun hemp, a type of black pulse. This black dal is used to make dals and even mithais. The classical dal makhani and dal bakra is made using this whole black urad dal. Milk, an opaque white fluid rich in fat and protein, secreted by female mammals for the nourishment of their young. Paddy. A paddy is a field used for growing rice. Paddies are different from most other crop fields because they are partially flooded with water. Tomato sauce. Sauce made with steamed tomatoes with savory vegetables and other seasonings. Biscuit. A biscuit is a small round dry cake that is made with baking powder, baking soda or yeast. Maize. Maize is another word for corn, the tall growing grain that produced yellow kernels on long ears. Butter, a pale yellow edible fatty substance made by churning cream and used as spread or in cooking. Sugar candy. Sugar candy is any candy whose primary ingredient is sugar. Honey, a sweet, sticky, yellowish brown fluid made by bees and other insects from nectar collected from flowers. Gram, chickpeas or other legumes used as food. Beaten rice. Beaten rice is nothing but rice that has been parboiled, rolled, flattened, and then dried to produce flax. Bran, pieces of grain husk separated from flour after milling. Oil. Oils do not dissolve in water and are used especially as lubricants, fuels, and food. Barley, a hardy cereal that has coarse bristles extending from the ears. It is widely cultivated chiefly for use in brewing and stock feed. Barley flour. While diacetic melted barley flour is taste natural, the non-diacetic kind, sometimes referred to as malt flour, is used for its distinctive flavor. Food. Any nutritious substance that people or animal eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. If you like the video, then like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end.